channel. Happy New Year. This is our first vlog in the new year. Say what's up, Maya.
Hi.
Maya and Nisha are getting kicked out tonight. Mommy and Daddy is kicking them out because, you know, they want some time alone for themselves because they never really get it. So, yeah, Maya's them, they're staying the night at our house, me and Brooks' house tonight. So we have not a couple errands. We're just going to go to Walmart to get a couple things, you know, snacks, sparkling wine.
Yes, God. Ooh.
It's sparkling grape juice, you know, it's not alcohol for real. Y'all know we don't drink. She get excited about sparkling. And
break out and all.
His face break. Also, me and Brooks' nieces are coming over on Saturday, so we're gonna see if we can get like a couple games so they can have something to do. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to Walmart. So we're trying to figure out what snacks to get the kid. Why are you just in the background smiling? You know what I was thinking, Maya? I think I want to prank Nisha tonight.
What?
I was trying to think maybe we could do the argument prank. But I was trying to figure out what me and you could argue about, but we have to be good actors.
Oh, argue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Argument prank, like we just going at it like we mad at each other and like see what her reaction would be because we don't really argue. So getting her reaction and seeing what she would say would be pretty funny.
Hopefully I don't laugh.
So we're gonna try to pull that off. Argument prank on Nisha. So Nisha, be ready. Start packing and stuff. That'd be funny. I'm gonna hide the camera in the living room somewhere. Maybe you could respond to me. I could say something, you could respond to me like with an attitude. And then I could just be like, I'm just so tired of your attitude, and blah, blah, blah. And then like we could just go from there.
Okay. Hopefully I get it down back and
you think?
Start laughing.
So hopefully we can pull this off, y'all. Alright, so we got all the goods, but we did not get the sparkling grape juice because they didn't have any, which is sad, and I'm sure Maya is sad. I mean, I'm not that sad because I really don't care. But yeah, Maya like to get turned. But Brick said he was gonna check out the Walmart to see if they have it. Let me know if you're coming. We gotta start here.
Where are you going?
Did you wear my scarf, Maya?
Yes, Shauna. Coconut. Are y'all reporting me? What? What?
I can't.
I know, I tried so hard. I said, yeah, shut up. Coconut. What happened? No break. Yeah, that's why we was arguing. It just gives your reaction on camera. Y'all trying to do a prank?
Yeah.
Well, we can't get it out.
Brooks found the sparkling grape juice. Sparkling grape juice. Sparkling grape juice. Brooks found the sparkling grape. Look at that. I just was. Her hair look wet. It's greasy. And guess what else I got, y'all? Chick-fil-A. 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 Popping bottles.
Sparkling. That's not what it's called?
Pina colada.
He said pina colada.
Non-alcoholic. We keep it Christian.
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
He said pina
We
colada.
keep it holy. Jesus turned water into this, not that alcoholic stuff.
What is this? What's it called? Okay.
What is it called?
Pina colada.
The prank that we had planned to do did not work. We're just not good actors, and we started laughing like right at the start of it, so it just wasn't even. It wasn't happening, man. I'm sad.
I didn't know that's real. I didn't know nothing about it, girl. I didn't know that camera.
Man, the camera in the perfect spot. She didn't even see it.
Yeah.
And it didn't even work. But now we're about to taste these nasty things that Maya made me buy, okay? She wanted to taste them for the vlog, for y'all. She wanted to
taste these little nasty things. Butter vlog.
So since Maya wanted us to taste them, she has to eat the whole thing, no matter if she likes it or not. Yes.
No, I'll get sick.
No matter if she likes it or not.
Whatever.
Yes.
I'll get sick over that.
No, yes, you need to taste it. I mean, you can eat it all.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Whatever.
Yes, you do. Okay. Or if you lose this bet, then you have to march outside in your boots, in your high heel boots, down the street in the snow, in your drill team movements in tomorrow's vlog.
Frostbite.
In tomorrow's vlog, you can't look cold. You gotta perform it. You gotta do it full out. You gotta.
I'll do it for my vloggers. I mean, have a happy baby in the house. Oh, please. Say, he mad. Say, what recording?
Hey, this dinner with the schmucks might be interesting. I'm gonna have to take that up.
This it feel weird.
Yeah, like
It's a marshmallow.
Look at the bottom.
It's a nasty
And this and like it feels like weird. Yeah.
Ooh. What is it?
This is horrible. What is it?
Like that. I can't
And what's the cake part? I don't understand.
It has a little fur on it. Has a little fur on it, you see? We gotta get to the filling.
Right.
It's like a sponge.
Yeah. It's gross. Ever in your life.
It has a coat on. Look, it has.
That is still selling in store.
It has a mink coat on. Oh my god.
Right.
Check it out.
Ew. Disgusting.
We all know what Maya gotta do tomorrow.
March in that snow.
Yep, march in the snow. So stay tuned.
I was born to do that. That's why I do my drill.
It has a layer of skin. Oh my gosh.
Ew. Comment below if you guys like these things. Or comment below what Debbie cake do you like that's by Hostess. I don't really eat Debbie cakes. Do y'all like Twinkies? Do y'all like fudge rounds? I remember they had fudge rounds in school. Alright, so we're about to go watch a movie, finish off the night, and I guess we'll see you guys. Ew! Alright, alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video.
That brightness though.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos with This Is Us. We will see you guys in our next video. Deuces!